Fracabu, the fractal brush. We're going to explain the fractal brush. Here's a 8x8 tile map with some spatial partitioning to visualize the 8x8 grid of 1x tiles, 4x4 grid of 2x tiles, and the 2x2 grid of 4x tiles. So we're going to take this and we're going to create a fractal brush to go over this tile map. So this is another view of this map right here. Okay, so we're going to make a fractal brush. It's going to be 3x5. So we got a 3x5 brush. We're going to click right here on our larger 8x8 tile map. We want to see what should happen with the fractal brush. So we're going to change the spacing again so we can visualize where the 2x and 1x tiles should be plotted. And then we're going to merge certain cells together. Here's our 2x's. Here's our 1x's. And then down here's the final result. With our 3x5 fractal brush, we have 2x tiles here, and we have 1x tiles here with one click of our 3x5 fractal brush on an 8x8 grid. For another example, I want all three tile sizes to be represented. So on our 8x8 tile map, we're going to use a gigantic 7x7 tile brush and see what happens. So first of all, we're going to mark things by what size tile should end up there. Should a 1x, 2x, or 4x tile end up there? After we've marked it like that, we're going to group things back together. We're going to get rid of the spatial partitioning and densely pack everything, but we still have the markers 4, 2, and 1. Now we're going to merge everything together. So we have a 4x tile here, we have the 2x tiles here, and then we have the 1x tiles on the border right here. So now we're going to remove the empty cells, and the result is this. So with a big 7x7 tile brush, we get a variety of different power of 2 tiles. So that's the basic idea of how our fractal brush is going to work. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You're on this playlist here. Source code is here. You can email me here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm Kanji Coder.